ShenZhen ZiYuan Technology Company is a comprehensive manufacturer specialized in the R&D, design, manufacturing, marketing, and after-sales installation of home beauty instruments. It is a leading provider of home beauty instruments in China and is committed to customers with safe, environmental friendly, and durable beauty instruments and hair dryer, hair straightener, hair curler, neck massager, shaver, hair removal machine, etc. Founded in 1973, ShenZhen ZiYuan Corporation now has more than 30,000 square meters of factory and more than 1,300 employees. Our products include beauty instrument, hair dryer, facial hair removal splitter, hair straightener, hair curler, and so on. After more than 15 years of continuous development and growth, we provide customers with high quality, good after-sales service. Our customers are satisfied with it. We continue to research and innovate and successfully submitted to the State Intellectual Property Office and obtained many certificates, including ISO 9001, CE, ISP 14001 certifications. This is our beauty instrument machine with our patented technology. This is unique to us. We guarantee that the products we make will not break for many years. ZiYuan Corporation have already produced it for more than 50 years and has our own advantages of production research and development for many years. This is our mold factory. We can provide customers with good performance, energy saving, simple operation, one-button start, and high-quality beauty instrument machines. We are the source factory, and we can provide the highest quality and the most competitive price. Please contact us for a quote. We'll provide the best service for our customers. Looking forward to cooperating with you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.